Hello, you're welcome to TKLMS Academy, and my name is Adeboye. Now, here we'll be solving questions on quadratic equations, and we'll be basically looking at the use of the quadratic formula method. Now, we have discussed several methods of solving quadratic equations, such as factorization, um, the completing the square method, and also the graphical method. So you can find videos on this in our channel. All right, so let's delve into an example. Here it says that find the root of the equation 3x squared minus 5x minus 7 equals to 0 using the quadratic formula method. All right, so the first thing is to compare the given equation with the normal quadratic equation and write out the values of a, b, and c. Now, take note that these a, b, and c are constants, okay, while x is a variable. Now, what that means is that this is the first equation you see there is a normal quadratic equation, okay? And you have your a, b, and c. And then we have the quadratic equation which we were given. Now, we compare in the sense that you ensure that your ax squared coincides with 3x squared, okay? And then your bx coincides with 5x, and then your c coincides with 7. Now, do not forget that the signs are also very important. So it means that a is equal to 3, b equals to negative 5. Okay, the negative is very important, and then c is negative 7. Now, we move on to step 2, which says that replace a, b, and c with the values above, okay, into the quadratic formula. Now, here is the quadratic formula. Now, in one of our videos, we described how this quadratic formula was derived using completing the square method from a normal quadratic equation. So you can check that in one of our videos. Now, so we replace the values of those the values of a, b, and c into this equation. Now look at this. Here we have negative 5. So what we do is that when negative multiplies negative, it becomes positive. So we have 5, okay? Then look at this as well. Negative 5 squared. What does that mean? It means negative 5 multiplied by negative 5, and that's going to give us positive 25. Okay? Now please take note that this is not negative 5 squared. Okay, it is not that. Rather, it is negative 5, everything into bracket 2. And then we have 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Okay, and then we have a negative here and negative here. So that will end up giving us a positive in between. Now, let's look at what we have in the next stage. So in the next stage, we see it's, solved. So we have positive 5 plus or minus square root of 25 plus 84 over 6. And then we have positive 5 plus or minus 109, that's after adding, divided by 6. Then we find we find the square root of 109, and that gives us 10.44. The next thing is we solve. We solve accordingly. So we split the equation into 2 and we solve. So do not forget that we had plus or minus. So now we have the plus on one side, and then we have the negative on the other side. Okay, and so we have this or this. Then we use our calculator to find the final answer. All right, so here is the solution to the question. So thank you very much. I believe that you're watching this tutorial because you want to know more about how to solve quadratic equations using several methods. Okay, now, and I hope you found this video very helpful. Now, the fastest way by which you can learn is by enrolling in our online courses. Now, the videos and explanations that we have are well explanatory. They provide a step-by-step approach on how you can solve these quadratic equations. And at the end of each question, each topic, we provide a quiz in order to assess your progress. in order to know whether you understand it. Now, there is a link in the description below. So just click on it and then it will take you to where you can enroll for our courses. So thank you very much, and we would like you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification icon so that you can get notified when we release more videos. Bye for now.